Hello, everybody. My name is Kelly, and today I'm going to walk you through the exact process I used to integrate a custom AI generated voice into my educational app. And I had a lot of questions going into this, and I ended up learning a ton. So I wanted to save you some time by showing you the exact steps I took. So here's where I started. I wanted a natural sounding voice to read the words in my app. I tried the built-in text-to-speech options, but they sounded robotic and I didn't really enjoy the personality it was giving my game. I originally planned to record a family member's voice, but that just didn't work out. So I decided to design a custom voice instead. That's when I turned to ElevenLabs. They have two platforms. One is 11 Creative and the other is 11 Agents. If you're doing voice work, you want 11 Creative. That's where the voice tools really shine. I wanted something with a strong drill instructor energy, something inspired by R. Lee Emery, but not copying him, just similar. So I used a custom prompt inside ElevenLabs voice design tool. And I'll show you that now. So this is the 11 Creative, you can see here in this top corner. And here we have the home. And this is where you can start seeing, you've got over here on the left side, whoops, you've got text to speech, speech to text, voice changer, sound effects, image to video, or image and video, music, and then some more tools. The voice, yeah. Okay, so once the voice was created, I clicked on it and copied the voice ID. This is important. The voice ID is what your app uses to request audio in that specific voice. Creating the API key. Next, I needed an API key so my app could talk to ElevenLabs. Inside ElevenLabs, I went to my profile, I opened the API keys. I'm just going ahead and do that so you can see how I did it. Went to my profile. I went to, actually, I think it was in the files. And then general. Here we have a play example.
All right, listen up. We've got a mission, and failure isn't an option. I need every single one of you focused, disciplined, and ready to execute. There's no room for hesitation, no time for doubt.
You get the gist. So that's the, I'm sorry, it's over here on the left. It says copy voice ID. So you can just click that, and then back in your Replit, you can just copy and paste that into your Replit. And I use Copilot, so I actually used Copilot to prompt me. Now that I had my voice ID and IP and API key, it was time to integrate everything into my app. I opened Replit and used Agent 4. I gave it a clear prompt telling it to remove the old text-to-speech, connect to ElevenLabs, send each word to API, download the audio, cache it, and play it using Expo AV. Agent 4 updated my code automatically. I then began testing the voice. Once the code was updated, I ran the app and it worked. Actually, no, it did not. I ran the code and it worked perfectly right away on the website version, but it took many, many iterations to get the app to rewrite the code. Something was wrong with the code in it, and so yeah. So it took many iterations, but we were still able to get it in there. So my custom voice read the words exactly the way I wanted them, with the tone and the personality I had designed. So that's the full process. Voice design through ElevenLabs, voice ID, then API key, then agent for integration. If you're building an app and want to use a unique voice that matches your brand and your game's personality, this workflow is incredibly powerful. And once you know where everything is, it is actually pretty simple. Feel free to share it with other developers who might be struggling with voice integration. And if you want more behind the scenes content with building educational apps, stick around. I've got plenty more coming.